Hey guys, so in this video today, I just wanted to talk about how like total strangers can wind up being the kind of people that go and build your business, right? So what I mean is I was looking at a funnel that I had set up here, and I was just remembering one of the people who went through it, who it was like a high ticket kind of application funnel. So if people want to do some one-on-one time with me for for some like one-on-one consultation, then they could do that, right? And the cool thing is that I set up that funnel, and I thought that people would go check me out, would find ways to go directly to that funnel, and then go and apply. And the cool thing is that when I did a little bit of kind of detective work and look behind the scenes, I found out that a lot of people bought my tripwire before they became actual clients of mine. So people who either I did consulting work for or I built sales funnels for had gone and actually purchased one of my tripwires beforehand, right? So the reason that this happened, as far as I know, is that they wanted to just basically make sure that I knew that I was talking about, that I wasn't full of crap, that I was an actual expert. And the cool thing is that I wound up getting paid twice because of these things, because they went and bought, now this tripwire, like I say, this was a tripwire product. It was only like $7. But the cool thing is they just, that started them off. I had some money come in through that sales funnel. Some of them actually even took some of the upsells as well. So that allowed me to make even more money with the sales funnel. But once they came in, they would go and check out, I could see that they would go and access and check out the product for usually like a day or two. And then they would move on and fill out my client application funnel to start the process of working with me. So the cool thing is that these are people who were essentially total strangers, and then through the process of finding me on YouTube, right? So because they were searching for sales funnel expert, whatever term that they put in there, whatever brought them to my video, they went and actually watched the videos and were able to see that I kind of, okay, so this guy looks like he knows what he's talking about, but let's find out for sure. So from then they clicked onto, either the call to action in the video or the description below the video, and that took them over to the sales funnel, right? So in the sales funnel, once they got there, then they were able to, opt in for lead magnets. They could see, as far as my copywriting skills, what kind of emails they would get from me. But mostly it was about the product, to see as far as, if the product was designed to demonstrate my expertise, which it did. So once they actually got their hands on the product and checked it out, and they were like, okay, you know what? This guy's an expert. Instead of me just going through this item and trying to figure out and build a checklist, this guy's obviously an expert. Why don't I go through his application funnel and just get him to build it for me? So, and I did. And that's how I made, 5 figures doing consulting work, building sales funnels with simple stuff like that. So it started off with some of them, they came just directly to me. Some people actually bought my other lower price stuff first to see if I was an expert, and then moved on. So, that's a reason why you want to have those other lower price tripwire funnels as well, because they will take total strangers and turn them into sometimes high price clients. So go set those up and take advantage of it, and I'll see you in the next video.